Hello friends, myself Amrish from UPlates, your digital marketing training program partner. And today I'm just revised my previous session that in the previous sessions we have completed the social media platforms, various search engines, how our website should look like, what is the component of a website and what is the primary features for a particular web page. We have know about the value of digital marketing, we know about the various kind of the search engines. So now this is the time that we start with the primary section of a digital marketing, that is actually SEO. And in my previous session I just give a glimpse about the SEO, that stands for the search engine optimization, not for the search engine optimizer or any other things. So here one is a very important question, that what is exactly SEO. SEO is full form search engine optimization, and it has a proper definition. You can check it out on the Wikipedia, that search engine optimization is the process of growing the quality and quantity of website traffic. Remember that quality and quantity both are the important terms of website traffic. By increasing the visibility of a website or a web page to users of a web search engine. Here very important thing is come as the quality and quantity. If your website is getting non-quality traffic, means your website is loaded with a certain keyword that is actually not associated with your page, then this is not quality traffic. And if your website is getting quality traffic but the quantity is very less, then it is really not very important for your business. You have to improve the quantity and quality as well. As so, visibility of a website or web page to user of a web search engine. Here is the content web search engine. So users are typing various kind of the keywords over search engine to find the related information in the form of website and web page. So the increase the visibility of web page or website before the user with the help of search engine is called SEO. Also, SEO is not stopped here. They again define that SEO refer to the improvement of unpaid result. Yes, here is the one very important point. Unpaid result known as natural or organic results. Unpaid means whatever you are seeing over the search engine, there are some paid ads that I already given you idea that how you differentiate the paid and organic results. I am again doing the same, and exclude direct traffic and the purchase of paid placement. There are the three things you can see: paid, direct traffic and paid placement. So let me explain these all the three terms with the help of practical example. Now I search Best Education Institute in London, and you can see that here is the map, here is the local listing, and the start website, top 10 universities in London, this all are this coming. If I click any of them, this or here also, then it's considered as SEO part, because they came here due to some SEO activities, promotional SEO activities. So this is actually the organic and natural results. But if I click here, then this is called the paid listing, and it will not considered as the part of SEO. Now again there is one more definition that is associated with this. Before going to that definition, I am just give you one more thing, that if here I am write uplates.com and I reach directly this website, then this is the direct traffic for the uplates. So this is not the part of SEO actually. Here that one is the paid placement, means we place our ad on a particular website that already gaining the good number of traffic. So the traffic come from the any website that is selling the paid placement is not considered as SEO. Let me explain the paid purchase placement. Here this is the website, news website in India, and you can see that this is the placement, and this is actually the paid placement. So if I click here and I navigate to the website, then the traffic for this website is not actually considered as the part of SEO, because this traffic is actually come from the paid placement traffic. Here this is also a lot of things that you can see in the various big portals that comes with the help of paid placement process. So this is also the part of paid placement. So I make this clear to you. The traffic come to a website by only with the organic and natural search is actually the part of SEO, none other this. But the SEO is now little bit expanded from just only the search engine result page. That's the third definition. The third definition is saying additionally it may target different kind of searches like including image search, video search, academic search, news search, and industry specific vertical search. So let's move to the again Google, and I give you a glimpse about this various kind of the searches. So now we are again on the Google, and you can see that here is the image tab, here the news tab, here the map, video, and more. You can shopping, books, flight finance. So if I search this best education institute in London and click on the image, then you can see a lot of images coming here. And if I click any of the image here, then this is part of SEO. But if I click on the news section, I see a lot of news. The traffic that come to the telegraph.co.uk by the click from here is also the part of SEO. So the same with the map. You can see map, a lot of websites are coming. They are actually promoting with the local Google business listing. You can see this is also the paid ads with the AD. AD is the actually symbol that denote before the campaign. Those are running for the paid purpose. So but other than this, you can see a lot of website, lot of listings are there. They are actually unpaid, natural, and organic. So this is the part of SEO. So here it is very clear to you that traffic coming to any website is from the SEO or natural listing is really not paid, not come from direct, not referral, no other than this. Just you search any keyword over the search engine and click on the website and reach the destination page is come under the part of SEO. But you can see a lot of things are here like if you search this keyword, then this is also the part of SEO. Yes, and all the things those are non-paid at this page is part of SEO. So I hope you understand the basic concept of search engine optimization. In this process, we not only optimize our web pages but also we optimize our images and video so that on the search engine part, when people search the video, when people search the image, they find your listing, anyhow they find your listing, but those image and video are directly associated with your any page. So the traffic come from any source, that is actually the organic part, that is not the part of paid, referral or direct, is really part of SEO. So here this is very simple to understand that whatever traffic you are getting from any search engine, either it is Bing, it is Yahoo or Google, with the non-paid traffic is called SEO, means the website come over the search engine with the help of SEO activity, and SEO activity is divided in the two parts. One is on page and second is off page. The on page having the very limited scope, either once in a month or maybe once in a 2 month, but off page having the very wide area. But before moving to the on page and off page, I will just explain you why most of the businesses in present scenario need SEO for their website. What is the importance of SEO as of now for every business? in all over the world, so that SEO is the backbone of every business. So this is the my next session that I am going to organize for you. So I hope you enjoyed this class, and I hope you will be with me in my next session also. Thank you for joining me. Myself, Amrish Kumar from Uplates. Thank you.